Hi, my name is Bill Behrens. I'm the president of True Colors International, a training and consulting company. I'm here to invite you to a personal success workshop that we're offering in a virtual environment. So you might ask, what is True Colors? True Colors is a communication model that's deeply rooted in the idea of temperament typology or personality typing. It's an easy to understand, clear messaging model that helps everyone understand, even of all ages, understand each other. It really helps us understand more about ourselves, more about others, and really appreciating differences. This fun and exciting and engaging model or experience is really to help you grow and develop. In fact, it can be life-changing to provide you with some new perspectives and some new ideas and ways to interact with everyone around you. It can help relationships and even reduce conflict, both in personal and professional relationships. So visit the link below to register, and I hope to see you in one of our virtual trainings soon. Take care and make it a great day.